Alofi atu Macau. Mawhala, car park's packed. Had to park on the road. Here for the Hologa practice. Can't stay long because I got a gap it early. Got stuff on, but this practice was from 4:30 to 8:30. And it's Jenna Jacobsen and Carl Vassal, I think they're the leaders. But you're going to go check it out. No recording inside, just out here. Hiya, koi.
Whalawhalahia te ke matolosi kua kanono mai. Ko hanei a tautolu koe tau Hologa Alofi. Getting ready for Hologa Niue Festival on the 28th of February 2026. Make sure you come to watch because the next one's in 2 years time. So be there, otherwise you miss out. Aue.
Man, homo e practice. Longa tau tangata. Mean, can't wait. Alofi Red Army is looking good. Had to leave early because I gotta go and sort out dinner. Okay, ke munimina.